If your fridge is doing this, then keep watching. I'm just displaying how hot this freezer side was. It was 58 degrees, and that's definitely not below freezing. What you want to do is get behind the refrigerator and then take a look at your compressor. You're going to look and find capacitor and start relay. You're going to remove this clip here that you see me doing right now, and then you're going to remove that capacitor. I have a microfarad capacitance of 12. Now I have a screwdriver. I'm going to put it on both ends and discharge the energy. If you have a flute, turn it to ohms and then hit your secondary function key and go to microfarads. I got 12 microfarads, meaning this capacitor is good, meaning the start relay is the problem. Now listen to the old start relay. Listen to how that sounds. Now listen to the new one that I just ordered. Totally different. Now it's time to install your new capacitor and start relay. Give it some power and see what happens. And we have arrived. This was after a little time, so let's see what the readings are. What we got? We got 14 degrees, 18 degrees.